Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this scrunch dress in DTI without VIP. So if you want to rock a gorgeous scrunch dress in DTI without the VIP status, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can get this, get hands on this stunning dress in DTI. So you just need to use 3 items. First one, you are just going to go to this shelf and put on this dress in here and choose the color that you like. For example, here I'm going to go with black, and now I'm going to choose or make the materials into glitter like this. And the second item that you need to put on is this skirt in here to have that scrunch effect on your dress, and color it the same like this. And lastly, put on this skirt and color it the same. Don't forget to change the materials to make it the same with the other ones. So this is the final look for the scrunch dress. I hope you like this hack, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!